I have a question. I want to help benefit pollinators in my yard. What are some plant recommendations?
That's a great question. I'm really glad that there's been more of an emphasis on pollinators lately, because that's really important for not just our gardens, but for nature in general. There are a lot of fantastic pollinator plants that you can work with. You don't have to go very deep. I always recommend native plants because that's kind of my thing. And Minnesota, being in the prairie, we have a lot of really great garden-friendly native plants that we can use. 3 really basic examples. Blazing Star, I recommend that. There's several Blazing Star species. They can do well across a variety of gardens, and they're fantastic for all kinds of pollinators, especially monarchs. Monarchs love them. And composites, I'll talk about the aster family too. It's kind of cheating because it's not just one plant. There's a whole bunch of different aster family plants, including goldenrod. People kind of poo-poo goldenrod because it's common all over the place, but it's a really good pollinator. But all kinds of echinacea, all kinds of great composite aster plants. And a really good thing about the asters too is in the winter, they'll often sit out with seed for birds. So kind of a multi-season plant. I also want to throw in a big plug for grasses. Big bluestem is a really good bunch grass, and bunch grasses are really important. Pollinators don't use the flowers, so people kind of forget about the bunch grasses, but pollinators need bunch grasses, and a lot of other animals need bunch grasses and grasses in general for forage or for shelter. There are places where they can set up their cocoons, set up their eggs, and have a place to hide from other larger critters that want to eat them. And they're great in gardens too. They add a lot of interest, especially in the winter, but they just add really nice structure to a garden.
Ask the Arboretum Experts has been brought to you by the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum in Chaska, dedicated to welcoming, informing, and inspiring all through outstanding displays, protected natural areas, horticultural research, and education.